Are you doing cool? What's up, man? Hey, we about to dip right now. We're gonna go to 48 West Lemoyne.
Okay,
what the fuck? There.
We got the list.
We're going to where?
Hi, upstairs. We love you. Have a safe night, okay?
Where are we going tomorrow?
Yeah, right now.
Okay. Tom, say hi to the vlog.
What's the word? What's the word? We outside. You see this cop car? You see the cop car?
Oh, get me. He don't fuck with me. He don't fuck with me no more. He fucks his ass in. I ain't going there, bro, because I ain't showing my face. Let's just stay here. Let's just
Hey, you don't even know I got 2 guns on me.
Shut up, Chop.
I'm on the way to the meet. Cut the fuck out while I'm in the V. Why the fuck are y'all little niggas sound the same? Y'all not competition to me. And all y'all niggas running the bitch. The only shit that you cops is clean. That's your main bitch. That's an option to me. Hit the club up, then we off to the meet. Cut the fuck up on the way to the meet. Bitch, that the fuck up. Just fuck like passenger seat. Sixth grade, rolling blunts up inside my notebook sheet. Pull up to the meet and they notice me. They like that's Chris, yeah they know it's me. Melatonin nickname for my dick. When I put it in a bitch, go to sleep. Shawty surprised by my dick gang. Damn Christian, you ain't even honest me. Fucking and act like I don't know her. Damn Christian, you ain't even close with me. You the type nigga be all in my biz. I'm the type nigga finessing a bitch. I'm taking what's his. Man, I'm the type nigga tell her what it is. You the type to cover that shit over bridge. Man, I'm tryna stack up the wealth for my kids. This white hoe pussy got me talking weird. Instead of my nut, she was eating my jizz. I'm fucking with it, shawty all with the shits. Bitch, yeah, it's gig. I'm on the way to the meet. Cut the fuck out while I'm in the beat. Why the fuck are y'all little niggas sound the same? Y'all not competition to me. And all y'all niggas running the bitch. The only shit that you cops is clean. That's your main bitch. That's an option to me. Hit the club up, then we off to the meet. Cut the fuck up on the way to the meet. Bitch, back the fuck up. You slut right passenger seat. 6th grade, rolling blunts up inside my notebook sheet.
Fucking know. Big outside. Ian! What's the world? Big threes, nigga! I know. You're not even going. Few words before you die?
What?
Few words before you die?
Shit. I'm gay, nigga.
A little few words before you die.
Oh shit, no.
Finna take that lounge truck to Japan. Like, get your bands on. Yes, you can. Yo, been a trap still with the pan. Yeah, cut your, we gon' flip the van. Yeah, this bitch know we got hella bands. Yeah, get your mans right for that slit shit that you saying. Why the wise now? My bitch, I ain't paying. I still do perks. I'ma make it work. Made her to the jerk. Yo, she a jerk. Can't do I'm tryna hit. Son, I'll make it worse. I know my son tryna blitz, so I seen it first. Driving through some shirts. Do some of the worst. MP5 burst. Leave you in the dirt. Chopper on me, ARP. Chopper on me, ARP. My bro just picked up the lane. Hoes nagging, leather jeans sagging. Spinning 8 flies. This a ring blast. Bang jacket, hose jacket, I don't have that. Squirt on Dracos, run on down like a savage. Finna take that lounge truck to Japan. Get your bands up, yes you can. Yo, I slum up in a trap still with the pan. Yeah, cut your, we gon' flip the van. Yeah, this bitch know we got hella bands. Get your mans right for the slit shit that you saying. What a wise hell, how my bitch, I ain't paying. I still do perks, I'ma make it work. Made her to the jerk, yo, she a jerk. Can't do I'm tryna hit, son, I'll make it worse. I know my son tryna blitz, so I seen it first.
Hey, just take care of my cat. don't show the pole?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, they're getting on foot, nigga.
Hey, Jacob, what's up, bro?
Fuck.
Sober's right there.
I'm blacking out.
Hey, tell him.
Yo, son!
Roll up, kick back, and chill out. You tuned in with the hood's favorite DJ, running up racks for life.
Boy, don't get hot. Yeah, you walk around with a boy don't get shot. They got a switch block, turn the other hard and then I slap it like it's Chris Rock. Japanese bitch, keep it block, plus you kickbox. Me and turn them. Man, what the fuck? Me and turn them. Big ass moves to some flip flops. 2 blocks, 30 shots, wrap them like a gift shop. Fuck your baby mama, grab your son and do a TikTok. They gon' have to crawl the me to let this bitch hop. Worse than the hoes ass boy, how you dick hop? When it rain, it blows. When I walk out, I'm a drink drop. Running in the stove for a pop, I'm tryna sit. Running in the stove for a pop, I'm tryna sit. Pull up on they block and drop a 90 from the right. With them slimy guys and grimy guys, don't let your wife hang. Tripping off the shrooms like why my eyes create a triangle. You a cat to save a hoe, I'm the bad guy. If we catch him stealing, burn his body while his hands tied. DSM to go between the franchise. Deep in my bag, I'm looking like I'm trying to grab fries. Bitch, where's your friends? Need a year key, where's the 10? Need a script, where's the mids? Back to y'all, where's the bed? When I'm around the hoes, my favorite question always, where's the head? I can't go in public no more, I ain't got nowhere to spend. I'm staying out the way, so we ain't got nowhere to bend. Shit, just put it on the floor and send the low on where to send. Acting like he on the run, he just going nowhere again. Arguing with my whole late night, I don't know where I been. Bitch, bye. Shots nice, TT crying, it's a fish fry. Me and Surdy dumping out the window, let us get by. On the road doing shows, fuck hoes, get high. Tryna get up in our zone, that's a tryna flick a big bro, that's a reaching for some this froze, that's a Surdy got me in that mode, you heard.
Hey, get me. Hey, wait a little bit, and you gotta open them up. You gotta open them up.
You gotta open them up in the
Cause
middle.
you've been the opener tonight.
Go in the
You've been
middle,
the
go in the
opener.
middle, go in the middle.
Let people get here first.
Look at this. That's it.
Hey, look at that.
That boy too big.
Yo, that torque on your shit is crazy, gang.
Maybe it's cost too much.
Not for real, bro. Get the fuck away. Yo, by the handicap, y'all niggas stay away.
For real, stay away.
I'm crippled.
I got no left for a reject. Say look at her 20, got her feet wet. I got no love for a reject. 2 year right, say copy. Kylie wanted me in the lobby. Energy truck with a kid. Sunny ass city, I feel it. Slow ass 12 on deck. Left hand step my dick. I always rap like supercharged. Wanna get high like superstar. Drink gon' meet me in the lobby. low key. She gon' lie just 'cause it's rich, man. Beverly Hills to over east. Just cut off my dream, girl. If too love you, he mean that. Deja vu, I dream that. One up, but I need that. Kept that nigga keep posting guns. Drowning to get his feet wet. She love me like I'm one-to-one, man. Kinda seen that. Knock out cash, that shit is fun. Let off again and dreaming. I was going in a straight A. They caught me on the speed cam. Made my flight to a day late. Bitch, only wait for the lead, man. Big ass honey, got her feet wet. Big ass honey, got her feet wet. I got on love for a reject. Twin get rats, say copy. Kylie wanna meet me in the lobby. Energy truck with a kid. Slimy ass city, I fit. Slow ass 12 on dick. That fast, that might fit. Big ass honey, got her feet wet. Big ass honey, got her feet wet. I got on love for a real jet. Twin get rats, say copy. Twin get rats, say copy. I already want out wide. She already heard about me. She already point out pops. Please don't know ID. Put a man trap in the field like a pops. Told him to notice me. Niggas fake traders like Forex me. They get it, no touristy. Cause that bitch wait for my drugs. Yellow brick roll my door. Track her ring up foreign seats. Instagram man fuck FaceTime. She be in the comments like notice me. 707 won't waste time. Let them know my horses. Niggas really out here fake. I keep sitting my VBS. Max said he can really see me in it. C said can't pick up, but ain't tenant. WMGs can't slide my son. She wanna do the whole tour of me. New way to pay for our lawyer fees. Hey, water!
Stupid ass. What up, gang? Damn, Chapo shit just blew, bro.
Bro, dude, I know, bro.
Hey, get the fuck out the way, guys. Move, nigga. What are y'all doing, bro? Y'all fucking all up on his shit, bro.
If he's gone.
I think he's good, bro. Fucking retarded ass bitch. Yeah, I think he's good. Chapo, it's your headers or what, gang? It's your headers or what?
I got rap on there, but it's all fucking bogus. It's fucking coming apart. I gotta take that shit off. Cause I can smell it when I'm driving too. That shit smells like it's burning.
Yeah, bro, I would not smell this shit.
Yeah. I feel you, G, but what you want me to do?
You gonna have to hit the Zell or something, bro. You ain't got no cash, you gonna have to hit the Zell.
Gee, I did this shit.
Yeah, you did.
I smacked the shit out your shit, G. Come on.
Yeah, you
Come on, man. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You got a line, bro? None of this shit.
What you want me to hit you with, G?
At least a huncho.
A who?
At least a huncho.
100?
Yeah. A paint job ain't cheap.
At least.
What's the shit, G? What's the shit, G? What's the Zell, G?
Alright.
Hold on, let me get my phone.
I'm not trying to be crazy.
There you go, G. But I don't even see me in there now.
Flash it, flash it.
My shit's all scratched in the front.
Right here. You scratched that shit.
I hit you. I hit you.
Hey.
Get on it, get on it.